Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on CoinStats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinStats website where if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner. Now, if you have forgotten your login credentials, click on the login button to end up within the login portal first. You will then end up in the login page. Now, from this page, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Click on the Forgot Password button alongside the password box and you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and click on Confirm. You will then be told to check your inbox to find a recovery email. So check the inbox of the email address that you used to sign up for CoinStats and you will find an email which contains a link that you can click on or a button that says Reset Password. Click on either one of these and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password within the password box and then click on the Confirm button and now you will be notified that your password has successfully been changed. And now anytime that you want to log into your account, you can simply use your new password and click on the login button to gain access into your CoinStats account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.